This is my MacBook Pro 2013, and below here is a generic charger I've owned for 2 years. And so the Magsafe 2, whenever I plug it in now, if I'm lucky, it charges amber. But for a long time before this, when I plugged it in, it was just turning green. Or not even turning any color at all. You can see right now it's no color, but if I wiggle it around, it'll turn green. It was doing that for the most part for a long time. So I'd plug it in, shake around, it might turn green. So I think for me, my problem is it has to do with these ports here. So on here, the tip on these 5 prongs, this 5th one isn't going out well. At one point it was actually inside. It uses like a spring mechanism or something. So eventually I was able to kind of, you can see now it's not even charging this part. So it stopped charging at all. So I think I need to change, I need to get a new plug. But I can get it working if I can just get that tip out over here. So cleaning the port might help a little bit with a Q-tip. Just be careful, it's not wet. But I cleaned out the port, clean this out. Eventually, it started working for me, but you can see now it's not working at all. So that's my fun charging experience. If I just, and see, work this time. So I really think it has to do with this tip, this MagSafe tip. It's just not good anymore after a few years. Pretty sure if I get a new adapter it'll work pretty well. But also I might need to clean the tip on this. Just need to be careful. Only thing I could think of is using a Q-tip. So I'm gonna stick with that.